In this video, we will discuss project number 12. So this is project number 12 isometric view. You can see some 2D different views are given here. This is the front, top, and then right views. All dimensions are given in different views. So with the help of the dimensions, we can create our project. So first of all, I am going to create base plate. So for base plate, you can see top view. Okay, top view you have to see. So you are going to get a rectangle with length and width. So length will be 82 and width will be 38 mm. So go for a sketch, select your top plane and create a rectangle first. Okay, so not corner rectangle, just select your center rectangle and define that rectangle values. Length is 82 mm first, define, and width is how much? 38 mm. Just define it, close. Now finish your sketch, extrude it. How much you have to extrude? From the front plane you can see values are given. Okay, see carefully how much? 10 mm for base plate. Okay, so just define that values 10 mm. Just click OK. Okay, so next step, what you are going to do? So next to hole and then fillet you have to do. So first of all, I am going to create fillet as blend and then I will create hole. Okay, so first I am going to create fillet. So go for software first. Okay, and go for as blend, select both edges. How much values you have to define? Just go for a sketch and see radius is 14 mm. Okay, define 14 mm, then click OK. Okay, again go for a sketch. So next step, I think first of all we should create this plate, this vertical plate actually I'm going to create. So how you will create? From top this is not possible because that is the another section actually. So from the front view you can see, if you will create from the top plane then not possible. So from the front view you are going to create. So not front view, go for back view, back side view, and from that plane or views you are going to create. So go for a sketch again and select a backside face and create a circle first. So a random circle you can create anywhere. After that you can define your dimensions. Also you can take a snap. How much? Radius will be 19 mm and diameter will be 38 mm. Okay, next what you are going to do? Inside circle you are going to create how much? 22 mm. Okay, so both circle is created. Next you have to define that values. How much? From the baseline you have to define total values from the quadrant point, not center point. How much? 77 mm. Okay, next just project your this boundary edges and then click OK, because we are going to get outer loop. Create a line, just touch it as a tangent. Okay, now trim unwanted lines first. So this is unwanted line, just close it, and now you can extrude it. How much you have to extrude? Go for extrude first, select your sketch, change your direction first, and then define your values. How much? You can see 10 mm. This plate thickness also how much? 10 mm. So just define 10 mm, then click OK. Don't forget to select boolean operation unite. Okay, so next what you are going to do? Next go for a sketch. You can see, so this is the outer section, something extra, some portion is there. So what is that? So with that same radius values, how much? Radius 19 mm, you have to get a circle and then you have to extrude it. Okay, how much? 12 mm from the base. So extra 12 minus 10 means 2 mm you have to extrude. Go for a back face and then create circle first outside circle you have to create, and then also you have to create inside circle. So also you can project or also you can create. Okay, just wait. Yeah, now it is created. Now you can extrude it. How much you have to extrude? 12 minus 10 means 2 mm you have to extrude it. Just define 2 mm values. Just a second. 2 mm and then click OK. Now you can see your section is ready. So what next step you are going to do? So first of all, hide your all sketches. Next, go for this hole. Now we are going to get a hole. So how to create? So in hole also you can create this with the help of extrude in subtract mode, and also you can create direct hole. Okay, so I think that will be better for us. Directly we should create from the hole, or also you can create circle. So go for hole wizard first. This is your hole wizard. Select your face, in which face you are going to create hole. Okay, and then what types of hole you are going to create? Counter board, that is already in counter board. So first of all, define the position or parameters. So C board diameter how much? 20 mm. Then depth is 2 mm. Board depth is 2 mm. You can say just define 2 mm. And then normal diameter how much you have to define? Diameter 10 mm. Okay, just define 10 mm diameter. Then until next you have to cut out. Just click OK. Now you can see your hole is created. Now you can mirror it. Go for mirror feature, select a hole and select a plane, existing plane. Okay, mid plane I'm going to select and then click OK. Now you can see this profile is ready. Next what you are going to create? Next you are going to create this rib. So for that, this is very simple. Okay, so go for mid plane, mid side plane actually, and create a line with height how much? 30 mm and thickness will be 10 mm. So go to sketch, select a plane first and create a sliding line first, angular line. Okay, so no need to define any angle values, directly define how much length values, how much that value will be 30 mm. Okay, just finish a sketch, go for rib command. So this is your rib and select your sketch first, select a curve, change it as a parallel to section plane and define that value is how much? 10 mm. Okay, in symmetry dimension mode. Okay, just click. So this is the 10 mm, just click OK. Okay, say preview and then click OK. You can hide your all sketches. So now you can see this is your project. Okay, I think you understand. So this is our project actually.